Alright, so this is a quick tip on or about Vim. So this is simple. How to see a tar gzip archive inside Vim. Okay, so this is pretty ordinary, but I'm doing it for those who don't know the stuff. Okay, so let me spawn up a terminal. Move it to a designated place. Let us zoom in so people can see. Say for instance, I have already you can see the content of a tar archive like this on the command line itself. Tar tvv and load.tar.gzip. This is the tar archive I just made for the demonstration, and I want to see what are the file consist of this particular archive. Okay, so if I pass the flag tvv, the v stands for verbosity. The more v you add, it enhances the verbosity. T is basically to enlist the file the tar archive contain. If I do this, oh sorry, I missed F. See, it shows like this, but it doesn't show me the content. Okay, so I can see it here on the terminal itself, and it doesn't show me the content of the specific file. Okay, for instance, if I want to see the this buggy.c, I cannot see it like this. Okay, so we have to take advantage of our beloved editor, one of the beloved editor, which is Vim. So if I do, let me clear the screen. If I open the same tar archive in Vim, see, I'm just passing the gz archive to Vim as an argument. So if I do, bang, so all the files and directories are enlisted, okay, inside Vim. Okay, and it's saying I'm browsing the tar archive. Now say for instance, if I wanted to see the specific file, see the last file, the buggy.c, okay, where my cursor is hovering. Okay, at the last file you can see. Now if I do, I don't want to disturb this, so I want to open a vsplit. Okay, and my cursor is on the last file. As you saw, my cursor was hovering, so I do Control R and Control A. Look at the prompt. It brings down where my cursor was hovering or sitting on that particular file, right? So if I do a vsplit, bang, it open in a vertical split that particular file. Okay, so it's nice to see. I didn't even uncompress the tar archive. I just open the tar archive with Vim, and it will enlist me the directory and the files. Once I select the file and use the split method to open a vertical split, okay, and then use Control R and Control L to bring down the file name to the prompt, tx prompt, to open it in a split. I hope I'm very clear, right? So let me do it one more time. Let me close this. Okay. Now say for instance, so let me go somewhere else here. You see my cursor is hovering here, and I want to open this, but I have already opened the tar.gz file inside Vim. Now I want to open this file to to see the content of it. Okay, so you can see my cursor is hovering on that particular file. Okay, all I have to do, go to the ex prompt, do vsplit because I want to have a vertical split. Okay, and my cursor was there on a specific file. All I have to do, Control R and Control L. See, it brings down the particular file on the ex prompt. Okay, now if I press enter, that file gets open. You see, the file gets open on a split, vertical split. So I can see the file here inside Vim. Okay, so you see, you don't have to extract the archive, tar archive or some other archive, and you just directly open in Vim, and you can easily see the content of the file inside Vim. This is very handy if you want to take a peek of some particular archive file which you probably get it from the net, and you just don't want to explode it in your file system. Before doing so, you can see the content of that specific file or whatever the file you wanted to see. You can do so with Vim. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who don't know about it, although it's a very common thing and it's been there for a long time. So those who know, they know. I'm doing this. People who don't know about it, they will come to know. It will help them. Okay, so thanks for watching.